In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a Qlik Sense Server Datasource connection. So we go to the workspace content, then Data Sources, and we create a new data source by clicking this button. Then we select Qlik Sense Server App and we type in the host name. In my case, the name is localhost. And the next step is to press the refresh button. Now, we get a list of apps and I will choose the HR dashboard. Remember that the service account should be able to see the apps that you want to make reports from. We now give a name and we press OK. And now we press the refresh button to rebuild a cache. And as soon as it is finished, we get the information that the cache is successfully rebuilt. And that's it. We have connected our Qlik Sense Server data source and can now begin to create our reports out of it. Thanks for watching. There are more video tutorials on our YouTube channel.